story of first man, Akash, who dared to challenge the nature and attempted to glide with the eagle, had left a deep-rooted quest in mankind to conquer the nature. These quests led Wright brothers to set the first plane flying on 17 December 1903. India witnessed its first successful flight on 18 February 1911, and then airplanes became the way of life. The years of scientific research, testing and evaluation leading to the invention of modern flying machine, which has narrowed the gap between continents and broadened. The most modern and sophisticated aviation industry today needs trained aircraft personnel to keep the aircraft in airworthiness condition. Aviation industry has some international standards that are required to be maintained by its manpower, especially the aircraft maintenance engineers. An AME ensures the safety and airworthiness of an aircraft before it takes off. Aircraft maintenance engineers, AME, enjoy a very high reputation of full-time jobs. Indian Institute of Aircraft Engineering, established in 1998 as a unit of Jayanti Aviation Private Limited, has brought about a quantum of improvement in the standards of aircraft engineering in the country. IIAE has emerged as one of the top-ranking institutions in the country. Our professionals are working with all major airlines in the country by contributing their specialized maintenance skills to the aviation industry. We provide numerous avenues in aviation studies for young individuals.
Give wings to your dreams. This is the motto of our institute. I'm overwhelmed that I'm the part of this institute.
IIAE is therefore a perfect launchpad for aspiring professionals in various fields of aeronautical engineering.
The further relaxation of open sky policy in 2004, altogether 14 airlines has come into the Indian sky. The latest generation aircraft which has been brought by these airlines required very skillful and trained hand to handle these aircrafts. This is one reason why Indian Institute of Aircraft Engineering has been established to meet the future and present requirement of the Indian aviation.
IIAE invites bright and young individuals to this ever-emergent aviation industry. For joining IIAE, you have to complete 10+2 with 50% aggregate marks in PCM. IIAE is approved by DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, for 3 years AME course in the following avionics and mechanical stream: radio navigation system, jet engine, electrical system, instrument system. These courses have been logically split into 3 years by IIAE to make it easier to understand and master the subjects. The records of DGCA indicate that IIAE is ahead of other institutions. Over the years, IIAE has constantly upgraded and developed its infrastructure, keeping in mind the growth of the industry and the international standards, which make IIAE the right place to choose for your career in aviation. The classrooms are fitted with the latest teaching aids like the overhead projectors and LCD, supported by hundreds of audio-visual aids. This not only gives the theoretical perspective, but also the partial practical understanding, as the students can see the machines, their parts, and the methodology used ahead of their practical session in the state-of-the-art workshops. These technical workshops are equipped with highly sophisticated, latest aircraft and engine inspection equipment, which one can only find in the real-life aircraft engineering workshops. IIAE also has its own AVRO HS-748 aircraft fitted with new generation cockpit display equipments. A group of highly qualified and experienced faculty members having more than 20 years of experience in aviation support. IIAE has its own library housing more than 3,000 books covering various subjects and topics of day-to-day use of the students. Some Very rare books on avionics and mechanical are also a part of this technical library. IIAE offers separate hostel facility. The hostels have been built keeping in mind the basic amenities required by a student. The food is served from a modern central kitchen which maintains highest standards in hygiene and also ensures the right nutritional content for the right kind of balance of calories, proteins and other nutrients. IIAE engineers are today behind the smooth operations of so many leading airlines. It's time to take a decision for a safe and secure future. IIAE is the right place to take off your career as an aircraft maintenance engineer. We wish you good luck.